Hello students, welcome to lecture number 11. Topic for today's session is ethical and environmental issues in operations and supply chain management. I, Dr. Rohan Prabhakar Devale, welcome you all. This is online lecture series of the subject operations and supply chain management. Don't forget to subscribe. Learning objective for today's session, we will try to understand various ethical and environmental issues in operations and supply chain management. We will start with our session. Consumers are more conscious about their purchases than ever before. They expect organizations to meet a certain set of ethical standards, and supply chain aren't exempted from this scrutiny. To meet these expectations from customers, companies must enact significant changes that ensure environmental stewardship, decrease damage, and sustainable sourcing, manufacturing, and product distribution as well. To accomplish the goal of an ethical and sustainable supply chain, as well as the ability to track the trace shipment to any location, companies will need to enable the right technology. We will see specific actions to be taken. There are 6 actions we will see one by one. Number 1, reduce waste by simplifying supply chain processes. Ensure ethical sourcing and introduce transparencies. Third is minimize overproduction through efficient supply chain and supply and demand planning. So these are specific actions to be taken. Action number 4, decrease fossil fuels consumption by optimizing the routes. Number 5, fully utilize containers and transportation to consolidate shipments. Number 6, monitor for existing environmental risk. So these are specific actions to be taken. We have listed out 6. Now we will see each and every action in detail, one by one. First, we will start with reduce waste by simplifying supply chain processes. Supply chains can be improved through major changes, but it's more common to see results through small and iterative improvements. Good analytics and reporting combine with machine learning to continually improve the processes throughout the supply chain. Every change that reduces waste, speed up the delivery, or enhances quality makes an incremental improvement to the sustainability. So this was about first action, reduced waste by simplifying the supply chain processes. Now we will understand next, that is ensure ethical sourcing and introduce transparency. Supply chain managers needs visibility into how suppliers extract or produce raw materials to ensure their following sustainability standards. Blockchain technology is a useful way to capture and verify supplier sourcing practices. IoT, that is Internet on Things devices, can monitor and report on working conditions and environmental factors. Marketplaces can also bring transparency to a company's suppliers. The more interconnected they become, the more visible they are to those that access them. Next action is minimize overproduction through efficient supply and demand planning. Misalignment between supply and demand results in too much or too little production of raw materials, manufacturing of goods, and distribution of products. This creates rework and waste. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics can forecast likely demand and ensure more efficient supply and manufacturing processes. Next action is decrease fossil fuel consumption by optimizing routes. Until logistics moves to electric and other more sustainable vehicle options, route optimization is one of the best ways to reduce the environmental impact of transportation and distribution. Artificial intelligence can work with GPS devices to optimize international, national, and local shipping routes. Advanced analytics can even update routes in real time to take account of congestion and other issues. Next action is fully utilization of the containers and transportation to consolidate shipments. An empty container is an wasted container. Predictive analytics forecast where and when goods will arrive, allowing for the consolidation of shipments from multiple suppliers to multiple final destinations. This makes the most efficient use of assets, example containers and retailers, and transportation, reducing the amount of greenhouse gases generated per unit cargo. Next action is monitor for existing environmental risks. Many supply chains are already impacted by the climate change and other environmental factors. Issues such as wildfires in the western US, rising sea levels, water scarcity, and low agriculture yields have a profound impact on efficiency, quality, and speed of the supply chain. Supply chain technology helps to predict these risks and allows supply chain managers to mitigate their impact and put contingency plans in place. This is the book of Operations and Supply Chain Management by Simba Publication. In my next video, we will learn operations processes. Learning outcome from today's session, we have seen various ethical and environmental issues in supply operations and supply chain management, and we have also seen various tasks to be taken. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for further notification. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you from Dr. Rohan Dahiwale. All the best for your study. These are some references I have used to prepare this video. Thank you.